Located in beautiful Stony Brook subdivision, this home is nestled at the end of Brookfield Court. The house was built in 2004 with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, 1,850 square foot of living area, and 552 square foot garage. Walk in the front door and be greeted by a spacious living room with an open kitchen and pantry. Just off the living room is a 12 by 16 deck, looking out over a rambling brook that the local ducks like to call home. The master bedroom has a spacious bathroom and a walk-in closet, while the other bedrooms are divided by a hallway and a bathroom located between them. You may also notice the warmth of the house. This is due to a unique heating setup by which the crawl space under the house is conditioned. This keeps all the floors warm, so no cold toes in the morning. The house comes with a reverse osmosis water filter, water softener, gas range, and microwave. The house sits on a 1/4-acre lot that extends down to the brook in the backyard, and a built-in sprinkler system helps to reduce summer chores. If the weather's nice, maybe you can take a walk down the path reserved for residents, say hi to your neighbors as you follow the brook to the small ponds and watch the birds feed.